I wasn't like among those people who are way ahead of the program, but I was managing it. I was, hanging in there, making sure I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, trusting the process. And then I joined the IPBC. The process, is designed in a way that you can't miss anything. Like everything is provided for you. All you gotta do is keep grinding, trusting the process, and putting into work. So I put my, the work that I was supposed to do, and I stayed in Colaberry for about 2 years. I was so scared even to just applying for jobs because I wasn't sure I was ready, and until I saw a few people, my teammates, some of them got placed within the first year, but I knew I was gonna get there. So after exactly 2 years, I decided to start applying for jobs, and I applied for a couple of jobs, and then around October last year, a recruiter reached out to me, and they were like, I see you got ClickSense, experience and all that. So she asked me if she wanna hire me for like a Verizon assignment. So I was like, it's okay. The whole process went very smooth because she reached out to me, and then I had the first interview with her, and then with the hiring manager, and then with the panel at TCS. And then like a month later, she called me. She said, I think they like you over there. And I just couldn't believe it because I didn't think I did very well in the interview, but I guess, I did. I was prepared. Like, I had all those SQL questions, all those ClickSense questions that I was memorizing, going through it, working with my mentor.
Have you been on the same job since you graduated? Is it the same job you've been on?
Yes, I've been on the same job. It's been like smooth and easy. The first month wasn't as smooth as I can say. Like every day, it was new challenges, and tackling different tickets here and there, different tickets here and there, and getting along with my teammates, talking to my teammates, like every day I learn new things. Up to today, it's like every day I learn something new. But I've really moved up now. I had the department. I had a group of app migrations. I was working with. We had a lady who was leading that group, that team. She had worked with Verizon for like 6, 7 years, but she resigned a couple of months ago, and they appointed me to head the team. So
So
I've
you
been.
like a so what are you, like a supervisor, manager? What is that?
Yeah, like I manage the team. They report to me. I'm their manager, and so we do all those migrations every Tuesday and Thursday, and the rest of the days we tackle different tickets. And
So just
it's been
just a
awesome. It's
year
been
ago,
awesome.
I mean, just a year ago, you didn't think you had what it took just to be in the job. Now you're getting promoted to manager.
Yes, it's unbelievable. Like sometimes we don't know what we have inside ourselves until you go out there and you try, and you give it your best, and it gets to a point like now I believe in myself. I know like the sky is the limit, and I'm gonna keep pushing forward. I'm not like looking for a new job so far right now. Like I'm loving it. I love where I am right now. TCS is such a good company to work for, and Verizon, they have like exciting tools that when I talk to my friends who are also working in other jobs, and I mention some of the tools we are using, they're like, oh, we don't use that. So I'm getting a lot of experience just working for Verizon because they're always like trying to get the latest tools.
Are you working from home?
Yes, I got lucky. When I got interviewed initially, they said it's gonna be on site. They started hybrid, and then she said, I think they want you to report in an office. And there's two options. You can either report in an office in Austin, Texas, or in Basking Ridge, New Jersey. Since I'm in New Jersey, I was like, okay, I can report to the one in Basking Ridge. But as we were going through the process of onboarding and everything, I realized some of my teams, like most of them, everybody's working from home. Half of the team is in India. So I kind of just suggested, I think it would be better for me to work from home because, and commuting like 1 hour drive plus traffic, that could be like 2 hours a day or 4 hours. And, somehow they listened to my request. And since day one, I've been working from home and I can't ask for more. It's been such a blessing.